Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you how to add a custom domain in Firebase so you can move your project from a generic subdomain to your own professional branded URL in 2026. Let's get into it. First, sign up and create your project. Before you can link a domain, you need to establish your hosting environment within the Google Cloud ecosystem. Head over to the Firebase console and follow the prompt to sign up for a free account. Create a new project or select an existing one to land on your project overview dashboard. Next, navigate to Hosting and Serverless settings. Firebase has updated its dashboard to group related cloud functions together, so you'll find your web settings under a specific category. Look at the left-hand sidebar menu, navigate to the section labeled Hosting and Serverless, and then select Hosting. Once the hosting page loads, click the Add Custom Domain button near the top of the screen. In 2026, Firebase has unified its web-facing tools. Finding your domain settings under Hosting and Serverless allows you to manage not just your URL, but also any microservices or backend triggers that will interact with your new custom domain. Lastly, connect and verify your domain. Now you need to link your external registrar to the Firebase servers to take your site live. Enter your domain name, like yourbrand.com, and follow the instructions to add the provided TXT record to your DNS provider. Once verified, copy the 2 A records provided by Firebase and paste them into your registrar's DNS settings. This two-step verification is the industry standard for 2026. The TXT record proves you own the domain, while the A records point your traffic to Google's Global Edge network. This setup automatically triggers your free SSL certificate, ensuring your site is marked as secure in all modern browsers. And that's pretty much it. To add your domain in 2026, sign up for a free Firebase account, navigate to Hosting and Serverless/Hosting in your project overview, and click Add Custom Domain. Verify your ownership with a TXT record and point your traffic using the A records to go live with a secure custom URL. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.